In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check answers in Google Forms in 5 minutes. We'll walk through the proper built-in ways to review responses and, if you're running a quiz, how to see correct answers and scores. This guide is for form owners or editors, so make sure you're signed in to the right Google account and that you have editing access to the form. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser. From there, open the Google Forms app or simply go to forms.google.com. You'll see your recent forms. Click the form you want to review. If you don't see it, use the search bar or switch to the correct Drive folder. Once your form opens, look along the top for the Responses tab next to Questions. Click Responses. You'll find 3 views. Summary shows charts and quick trends. Question lets you review how everyone answered a single question at a time. And Individual lets you step through each submission, one respondent after another. Use these views to quickly spot patterns, incorrect answers, or questions that might need clarification. If your form is a quiz, click the settings gear, then choose the quiz section and make this a quiz is turned on. In the questions tab, open each question and click answer key to set the correct answer and assign points. This is what allows Google Forms to automatically grade responses. After setting your keys, return to responses and you'll see scores appear for each submission. You can review and, if needed, adjust points manually, especially for short answers or paragraphs where you may want to accept variations. When you're ready to share results, still in settings under quiz, choose when to release scores, either immediately after submission or later after manual review. If you want respondents to receive their results by email, enable collect email addresses in the form settings first. You can also add feedback on specific questions, including links or brief explanations to help learners understand what they missed. For deeper analysis, click the Link to Sheets icon in the Responses tab. This creates or opens a Google Sheet with all responses, letting you sort, filter, and run formulas. It's a great way to track performance over time or identify questions that consistently trip people up. A quick best practice reminder: only review and share answers for forms you own or have permission to manage, and stick to the built-in responses and quiz tools rather than trying to bypass protections. That keeps your data accurate and your process fair.